Thank you for watching another video presented to you by PWE Computers. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your internet history. Now, this can be very good if you have passwords and you're worried about someone looking that information up, or maybe you have certain file information or certain search history that you don't want someone knowing about. And a good example is, I don't know, maybe you're a YouTube fan and you went to a video, but you don't want your children to go and look at the same video that you just recently watched. So in order to do that, you'll open up your default web browser and you'll go here to customize, or in Internet Explorer it's going to be called tools. Also in Internet Explorer it's going to be below your search bar here at the top. In this case with Chrome you'll go into settings and you'll go over here to history. Then you'll click on clear all browsing data and you can choose from the past hour, the past day, past week, past 4 weeks, or since the beginning of time. In this case, just how long ever you had this program installed. The other option is to do it through Internet Explorer. As I said, you go into Tools, and then once you've clicked on Tools, you'll go to Internet Options. Here in Internet Options, right here where it says Browsing History, you will simply click on Delete. Now, both Chrome and Internet Explorer both have a very similar setup. Preserve favorites website data is what that means is it will remember your favorites even though you delete all of your history. Temporary internet files is just as it sounds. It's internet files that are temporary. It'll also clear out those. Cookies, which are preferences such as login information or username information. Then you have history, which is a list of pages that you have visited. Then you have download history. Anything that you have downloaded off of your browser, it'll be saved in your download history. Then you have form data, which would be something like, please type your first name, last name, middle initial, your address. Those are known as forms, and those will be saved as well. Passwords are saved whenever you ask the Internet Explorer or Chrome to remember passwords. And then ActiveX is just a little extra. It's basically filtering data, and it's protection from certain websites that might be sharing details about your visit. So I'd go ahead and have all these checked, and then once you do that, you can go and press delete. And once it's finished deleting, you should have an icon down here pop up at the bottom that says Internet Explorer has finished deleting the selected browsing history. Oh, gotta close out of that first. The other thing is some of these search engines, such as Bing, they will also record search history. And you can simply delete that by going down here at the bottom on their main startup page and clicking on search history. And then you can tell it to clear all and say, yes, clear all search history. In my case, I like to leave my history off. So this way, it doesn't remember it and it doesn't store it anywhere unspecified without me knowing. Well, that basically sums up this video on internet search history. I hope you learned something a little bit more about computers. I hope to see you in the next video.